Good afternoon. Chapter Continuity and Differentiability. Now, what is continuity? So, continuity is a function. So, a function fx, any function, is said to be continuous at any point x equal to a if limit extends to a fx equal to fa. That means a function fx is said to be continuous at x equal to a, at a point x equal to a, if limit x tends to a fx, this limiting value equal to fa. If these two are same, limiting value at that point x tends to a of the function fx equal to fa, and we can write this limit x tends to a fx means limit x tends to a plus that point a plus, that means right hand limit value a plus fx, this equal to limit x tends to a minus fx, there will left hand limit, a plus is right hand limit, a minus is left hand limit, this equal to fa. That means these three value, limit x tends to a plus fx, okay, one, if this is defined, that means possible, and we get a value, and this, and limit x tends to a minus fx, left hand limit, this value defined, and these two are equal, right hand limit value and left hand limit value, and this equal to fa, directly functional value at that point. If these three are same, equal, then we can say that function fx is continuous at that point. That means we have to find these three values. Okay, if these three values are equal, then you can say that function is continuous at that point. Okay, now this is a sum, then it will be clear more. Exercise 5.1. 5.1. Question number 1. Here, prove that the function fx equal to 5x minus 3 is continuous at x equal to 0, x equal to minus 3 and x equal to 5. So, prove that fx equal to, function fx equal to 5x minus 3. fx is 5x minus 3. This is continuous. Is continuous at x equal to 0, at x equal to 0, comma, at x equal to -3, and another point also there, and at x equal to 5. So test at 3 points, check it is continuous or not. Okay, one by one. The first x equal to 0. So at x equal to 0, so function is fx equal to solution. So first fx equal to 5x minus 3 at x equal to 0. Okay. So in this question, fx is given one function 5x minus 3, okay, not given separately, right hand value and left hand value. Okay, that means in both the case, 0 plus or 0 minus, both the case function is same, 5x minus 3. Okay, so limit x tends to 0, fx equal to limit x tends to 0, fx means 5x minus 3. This is function. Okay, now this means x tends to 0, that is x, put x equal to 0, this equal to 5 into 0 minus 3, and 5 into 0 is 0, so it is minus 3, so it is minus 3. Okay, now fa you have to find fa, that fa means f0, a means 0 in this question, so fa equal to f0, so f0 equal to 5 into 0, same function, minus 3, so equal to minus 3, so therefore limit x tends to 0, fx equal to f0. Both are equal, both are minus 3, and this equal to minus 3. Both the value are same, equal, and it is minus 3. So now we can say fx is continuous at x equal to 0. So fx is continuous at x equal to 0. Okay, this is the first part. Okay, it is clear? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now another point also there, we have to test at x equal to minus 3 also. Okay, the same function x equal to minus 3. So now fx equal to, function is same, 5x minus 3 at point is x equal to minus 3. Okay, so limit point is minus 3, so x tends to minus 3, fx equal to limit x tends to minus 3, and fx means 5x minus 3. Question, 5x minus 3, and this equal to, put x equal to minus 3 because x tends to minus 3, so 5 into minus 3, minus 3, so this equal to minus 15 minus 3 equal to minus 18. Okay, so limit x tends to minus 3, fx is minus 18. Now direct value without limit, that is f of minus 3 without limit, f of minus 3 equal to same function 5 into minus 3, 5x minus 3, minus 3. So equal to minus 15 minus 3 equal to minus 18. Minus 18. So these two are same. Now, therefore, limit x tends to minus 3 fx function equal to f of minus 3 and equal to value is minus 18. Both are same, equal. Hence, fx is continuous. Hence, fx is continuous at x equal to minus 3. Okay. Third point is, this is second point. Third point is x equal to 5. Same function. So fx equal to fx so third point is fx equal to fx is fx equal to 5x minus 3 at x equal to 5. At x equal to 5. Okay. So limit x tends to 5 fx equal to limit x tends to 5, function is 5x minus 3, 5x minus 3 is equal to limit x tends to 5, or you can put now value. So it is 5 into 5 minus 3. Okay. So 25 minus 3, that is 22. This is 22. So at x equal to 5 it is 22. Now direct without limit at x equal to 5 value. So f of 5 equal to 5 into 5 minus 3. So 25 minus 3 is 22. Okay. So both are 22. So hence, therefore, limit x tends to 5 fx equal to f of 5 limiting value equal to direct that point value equal to both are 22. Okay, both are same. So hence the function fx is fx is continuous at x equal to 5. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this type question is continuity. If it is not equal, then it is discontinuity or discontinuous or not continuous at that point. If these two values are not same. If they are same, then it is the function is continuous, otherwise not. If they are not same. And one thing you remember, polynomial function is always continuous. Polynomial function we know, suppose 2x plus 5, okay, or x square plus 2x plus 3. So polynomial function is always continuous. See question number 3. Question number 3 is all are polynomial function. Examine the following functions for continuity. The first one is fx equal to number 3a fx is x minus 5. Fx equal to x minus 5. So fx equal to x minus 5 is a polynomial function, and so fx is continuous at all values of x. So polynomial function is always continuous. So fx equal to fx, therefore fx equal to x minus 5 is a polynomial function. Is a polynomial function. Polynomial function. So fx is continuous, for all values of x. Values of x. Any polynomial function is continuous. Next, these are polynomial function. Question number 6. See number 6. 6 says it is given fx equal to 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3, one function is given. Another given 2x plus 3 when x less than equal to 2. X less than equal to 2, it is given. And another one given 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 if x greater than 2. If x greater than 2. Okay. So this two function is fx, it is given. Now fx equal to 2x plus 3, x less than equal to 2, and 2x minus 3, x greater than 2. This two function is given. Okay. Question is find all the points of discontinuity of f where f is defined by. Find all points of discontinuity. Okay. So when this function is not continuous, all points of discontinuity means when this function is not continuous, we have to find that point. That is the answer. When this function fx is not continuous. Okay. So find that point. So here it is given 2 point function. When greater than 2, function is 2x minus 3. When less than equal to 2, function is 2x plus 3. Now test at 2 point when x equal to 2. So when x equal to 2, test this function is continuous or not. So limit limit x tends to 2 plus fx equal to limit x tends to 2 plus 2 plus means greater than 2. Okay, remember this. 2 plus means greater than 2 and 2 minus means less than 2. So when greater than 2, that is 2 plus, the function is 2x minus 3, it is given. When greater than 2, that is 2 plus, function is 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3. Now this equal to, calculate the value, equal to 2 into 2, because x tends to 2, minus 3. So 4 minus 3, it is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. When 2 plus. Now find 2 minus value. When 2 minus. So limit x tends to 2 minus fx equal to limit x tends to 2 minus means less than 2. So less than 2, the function is first one 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. So it is 2x plus 3. Now calculate this. 2x plus 3 means x equal to 2. So equal to 2 into 2 plus 3. Equal to 4 plus 3 is 7. Now see, plus value and minus value are not same. So right here, so limit x tends to 2 plus fx function, this not equal to limit x tends to 2 minus fx. These two are not same. One is 7, one is 1. Not same. So the function is not continuous. So hence the function fx is not continuous at x equal to 2. Okay, so not continuous at x equal to 2. It is not continuous. So discontinuous point is at x equal to 2. So answer is at x equal to 2, it is discontinuous. So thus fx is discontinuous at x equal to 2. This is the answer. It is clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So both the plus value and minus value are not same. That means it is not continuous. So discontinuous point is x equal to 2. Okay? Next you do another question. Number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8 is fx equal to mod x by x when x not equal to 0, x not equal to 0 and equal to 0 when x equal to 0. When x equal to 0. This is the question. Okay. So You have to find left hand limit and right hand limit and see if they are equal, then it's continuous. If not equal, then not continuous. So test at x equal to 0 point. So this is question. Now right hand limit. Right hand limit means plus value. Right hand limit. Limit x tends to 0 plus fx. 0 plus fx equal to limit h tends to 0, f of point is 0, f of 0 plus h, because right hand plus. Okay, see this rule. This is another rule. When question is this type, mod is given, mod, then you have to use these rules. So 0 plus fx means right hand limit. So formula is limit h tends to 0. H means length of the interval. Limit h tends to 0, f of 0 plus h. Now this is equal to limit h tends to 0. See, we know the question is mod x by x. So mod x means 0 plus h. 0 plus h. X equal to 0 plus h. And divided by 0 plus h. So we are putting here x equal to 0 plus h, because f of 0 plus h, formula is 0 plus h means actually formula is a plus h. A means the point. Given point is a. In this question a is 0, so 0 plus h. If another question point is 1, at x equal to 1, then 1 plus h. So x equal to 0 plus h mod, because mod x by only x, so 0 plus h. So this equal to limit h tends to 0, and mod h means h only. We know mod value always positive. So h by h, and h by h same, so equal to 1. So this equal to 1. Okay. Now 0 minus h, you see the value 0 minus h. So limit x tends to 0 minus fx equal to, this is left hand limit, minus value, left hand limit. So fx equal to limit h tends to 0, f of 0 minus h. F of 0 minus h, because left hand limit, minus. So equal to limit h tends to 0, h tends to 0. So mod x, the mod of 0 minus h, x means 0 minus h, and divided by x means 0 minus h. 0 minus h, and this equal to limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0. So mod of minus h divided by minus h. So next step equal to limit h tends to 0. See, mod value is always positive. So mod of minus h means h only, positive. And divided by without mod. So minus you have to write. So minus h. Okay. And h by h same, it is cancelled, h and h. So minus 1. This is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now you see, negative value, left hand limit value is minus 1 and right hand limit value is 1. So these two are not same. That means not continuous at x equal to 0. Because it is not same. Therefore left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. So fx is discontinuous at x equal to 0. So fx is discontinuous at x equal to 0. Okay, you understand now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
This rule H, this new rules H, when a question is mod, you have to use this rule H. Use H, okay? And first one is direct method in simple question, for simple questions. Okay, it is clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Prerna,
Yes, sir.
write down, write, return.
Sir, return.